What if I told you that 99% of AirPods issues, charging problems, connection failures, or broken noise cancellation can be fixed in just minutes? No need to panic, no need to buy new AirPods, because in this video I'll walk you through the exact steps to fix them yourself. I've created this ultimate AirPods fixing guide covering every single issue, charging problems, connection failures, sound glitches, and more. Most people make one crucial mistake when troubleshooting, and I'll show you what it is. Also, please make sure to watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video I'll share a secret tip that might even get Apple to replace your AirPods for free. Let's get started. Hey everyone, Abdul here. Before we start fixing your AirPods, first let's quickly figure out what's wrong with your AirPods. Are you dealing with one of these issues? AirPods not charging, one side or both sides not charging, AirPods case not charging at all, AirPods not connecting to your iPhone or disconnecting randomly, noise cancellation not working like it used to? No matter which issue you are facing, this guide has got you covered. We'll tackle charging issues first, then move on to the connection problems. So if you are only dealing with a connection issue, you can skip to that part using the timestamps below. Okay, so the number one reason your AirPods or your AirPods case isn't charging is simply dirt blocking the electrical connections. But don't worry, this is an easy fix. First of all, use a microfiber cloth or a soft tissue to wipe down the bottom of your AirPods. Next, take a Q-tip or soft brush, any one of these things will work, and gently clean inside the charging case where the AirPods sit. I'm using this specialized cleaning tool for AirPods that I bought from AliExpress, but as I mentioned before, you can use any soft brush or Q-tip to clean it. Once clean, put it back in the AirPods case and gently push it down to ensure proper electrical connection, and let the AirPods charge for a while before testing it again. For your AirPods to get charged, you need to make sure your AirPods case is also charged. If you're having issues charging your AirPods case, a clogged charging port is usually the issue, and it is one of the most common causes of the AirPods cases not getting charged. Alright, to fix it, use a toothpick or a paper pin like I'm using, or decompressed air to clear out any dust. Make sure to be gentle with the paper pin and not to damage any electrical connections inside. Once you've taken out the dust from the charging port of your AirPods case, try to plug in your charger and see if it works. If your AirPods case is still not charging, try a different charger or a charging cable. Sometimes the problem isn't your AirPods, it's the cable or the adapter. Try using a different lightning cable and the charging brick to rule that out as well. Alright, now let's move on to the connectivity issues. If your AirPods won't connect, disconnect randomly, or only one side is working or connecting, the fastest and the first fix to try is hard resetting your iPhone. This basically fixes any minor software issues or glitches that could cause connectivity issues with your AirPods. For iPhone 8 or the newer models, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the side button until Apple logo appears. Once you see the Apple logo, let go the side button and let your phone reboot. Once your phone is back on, try connecting your AirPods again. If they still won't connect, let's move on to the next step. For the next method, we'll perform a full reset of your AirPods, and this usually fixes everything. First of all, forget the AirPods from the Bluetooth settings by going to Settings, Bluetooth, find your AirPods, then tap the I button and select Forget this device. Once that is done, now let's move on to resetting your AirPods. Open the lid of your AirPods case, press and hold the button on the back of the case for 20 to 30 seconds. The white light will flash, then turn red. Once it turns red, release the button. The white light will blink again and your AirPods are now in pairing mode. Close the lid, wait 10 seconds, open it next to your iPhone. You should see the setup animation. That's it, your AirPod should be working like new, but if you're still having issues, there's one last thing to try. If nothing has worked so far, resetting your network settings can do the trick. Please note, this will erase all saved Wi-Fi passwords and Bluetooth connections, so make sure you know them before resetting. Go to Settings, then General. Then go to Transfer or Reset iPhone, press Reset, and then press Reset Network Settings. After it restarts, try connecting your AirPods. Even after trying everything above, you are still unable to fix issue with your AirPods. Here's something most people don't know. Apple has a replacement program for certain AirPod issues. Even if your warranty has expired, they might replace your AirPods for free. I personally got my AirPods replaced 3 times for free due to crackling sounds or static noises. So if your AirPods are still acting up, definitely check with Apple support before spending money on a new pair, and maybe the issue that you are facing is one of the many known issues with the AirPods and Apple might be able to replace it free of cost for you. I hope this guide helped you fix your AirPods. If it did, do me a favor, hit that like button to support the channel, it really helps. And if you love quick and easy tech fixes like this, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. If you're still having issues, drop a comment below and I'll try to help. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.